When I'm painting what I call a good copy of something, I almost always work in multiples because I have so many ideas flowing that I want space for all of them. But I rarely do this in my sketchbook, and so today I decided that I would give that a go. And as I was drawing the lines in the sketchbook, this luminous orange color popped out. It was catching the corner of my eye, my side view, my side vision. And then I got curious about whether that mint green would go well with the luminous orange. And so I ended up creating this color palette that I've never worked with before, and it was quite fun to do. And it's interesting how when you're working in a sketchbook at least once a day, maybe more, sometimes just the tiniest little idea, like dividing your page into 4, or maybe you want to try 8 or 6, it just, I don't know, it's just enough. It's just enough to have a small little idea, and then it sort of sets things going. But if you don't have that small little idea, sometimes it can just feel like, where do I start? So hopefully that little small idea can help you too. And then I started pulling paint with the back of my paintbrush after, and I just got lost in this. So if that feels like something fun for you, I would highly recommend giving it a go. I think I watched Dune 1 and 2 last week, and I have this wondering if maybe the worms from the Dune movies inspired those lines with the back of the pencil. And it was really cool how some of them did turn out looking like dune worms, and others turned into trees, and others in roots. I don't know, either way, it was really fun. I hope that these couple ideas can inspire you to get into your sketchbook and create.